So let's look at another calculation for deriving values for year to date. And for us to do that, we'll obviously use calculate, and we'll try and use one of the sugar functions that is available to do that first. Then we'll try and expand on that sugar function to also increase our knowledge of how the DAX engine works. So let's go. So I'll call this revenue YTD. YTD meaning year to date. So revenue YTD equals to calculate, expression is revenue, and for my filter I need a function that can help me look at whatever date I have selected and give me all the revenue from 1st of January of that year up to the current date. So if I have May of 2014, I want all the revenue that will add all the revenue from January, February, March, April up until this May. That's year to date. So whatever revenue I have from the 1st of January of that particular year up until the currently selected date. So a function that can help me do that to, expand the date from the current selection to include everything from January up until that current selection is a function called DATESYTD. So DATESYTD returns a set of dates in the year up to current date. Of course, we have the brothers of DATESYTD, we have DATESMTD, and we have DATESQTD. So DATESYTD wants our dates column. It has an optional argument for year-end dates, which we're not going to use because we use the ordinary calendar of January to December. So our date is on the calendar table. So calendar dates, close this and close this. So if I add that to this report, you will see that as at January of 2014, my year to date is the same value. As at February, it's now adding January and February together. March now adds January, February, and March to give me the revenue of my year to date for 2014. And that works exactly the same way when we move into the new year of 2015, and it continues like that. So in the next video, you are going to see how we can try to expand the function to give us what we would achieve without having to use the syntax trigger of DATESYTD.